All right, example 7, solve the system in a word problem format. So first what we're going to do is read. Julio and Jill are selling pies for a school fundraiser. Customers can buy apple pies and blackberry pies. Julio sold 4 apple pies and 7 blackberry pies for a total of $96.80. Jill sold 13 apple pies and 3 blackberry pies for a total of $109.20. Find the cost of each of 1 apple pie and 1 blackberry pie. Okay, so we're going to highlight key information. We know that Julio sold 4 apple pies and 7 blackberry pies, and the total was $96.80. And Jill sold 13 apple pies and 3 blackberry pies, and the total there was $109.20. So it's the important information here. And we need our variables. So A represents apple pies, and B represents blackberry pies. Okay, so now we set up our equations. We know that Julio is going to have his own equation, and we know Jill is going to have her own equation. So Julio sold 4 apple pies, so 4A plus 7 blackberries, so 7B equals 96.80. And then we know that Jill sold 13 apple pies and 3 blackberry pies, so 3B equals 109.20. Okay, and then we have to figure out the best method to solve this. The best method to solve this equation is by using elimination. And I'm going to eliminate the b's. So I multiply the top by -3, and then I have to multiply the bottom by 7, and the top was multiplied by -3. Okay, so then we multiply everything at the top. We get -12a minus 21b equals -3 times 96.80, which is -290.40, and then we multiply everything at the bottom by 7. So 7 times 13 is 91a. 7 times 3 is positive 21b. And then 7 times 109.20 is 764.40. So now we have to add our like terms. So we have -12a plus 91, which is 79a. And then -21b plus 21b eliminate. And I have -290.4 plus 764.4, and that comes out to 474.0. I have to get a by itself, so I divide both sides by 79. So then a equals $6 for apple pie. And now I have to figure out blackberry pie and the cost. So I'm going to use one of the two equations. It doesn't matter which one. I'll use the top one. So I have 4 times 6 plus 7b equals 76.80. 4 times 6 is 24 plus 7b equals 96.80. I have to get b by itself, so I subtract 24 on both sides. Make sure you line up the zeros, or sorry, line up the decimal. So I have 7b equals 72.80, and then I divide both sides by 7. So b equals $10.40. per blueberry pie.